Yeah, a few times a week I like to do just Live Good updates. New products, what's going on with the company and what amounts of goods are we selling and how many affiliates worldwide are signing up. A lot of exciting news. What I like about Live Good, and if you're not in Live Good yet, every Friday we do basically just a 1 hour meeting with the four owners and founders of Live Good. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Nodder, he's in charge of our marketing department. He's field development. And of course, we have Dr. Ryan, who creates all of our products, and his wife, Lisa, as well. She's in charge of product education. Okay. I like Live Good because let's just start with Monday. Monday, Ryan and Lisa do a nice meeting where they talk about new products or how to use them. Okay. Go to Wednesday, and Nodder does a nice, about 30, I'd say about an average of 30 minutes, where he does a nice neutral tutorial, a live Zoom, where you can invite people. Okay. So it's not targeted for someone else to join them. It's neutral. So if you want to go ahead and watch these live, awesome. But if not, I record them. They're on my YouTube channel. Okay. Thursday is a 1 hour meeting where all four owners and founders, it's a big recruiting meeting. Okay. It's awesome. It's great to recruit from this 1 hour meeting, and you can invite people live, and we'll talk about it all later. I just want to talk about Live Good, how nicely all the owners and founders, they do 4 live Zoom meetings, and they broadcast it over YouTube as well. It's always live noon Eastern time because we're based in Florida, Jupiter, Florida, but they're all recorded too. Okay, so you don't have to watch them live and then go, oh crap, I missed it. But I love just doing short little reviews. Sometimes I'll do a 15 to 20 minute review, but we've got a lot of products. We have 12 more on the way in the next month or two. Okay. We hit about 1.7 million members and affiliates worldwide, a couple hundred countries. We're doing well over 15 million a month just in wholesales. Okay. Not retail. Because and you got to remember this, we're focused on being a membership company selling our product at wholesale pricing. So you can get the best deal and just use the products yourself. Or if you want to resell them in a gym, on Amazon, back of your trunk, it's up to you. Our company gives you full permission to do this. No other company that's structured like us allows that. Okay. We make the products. We have the most expensive ingredients, but we're the cheapest because we sell wholesale. Okay. We make the products to sell to other companies to profit. Okay. You got 3 months too. All right. You have 3 months to buy any product, even a Live Good hat or shirt. And guys, if you want your money back in 3 months, 90 days, just send the product back, the hat back. If you have protein powder and you like half of it, even if you dump all the ingredients out, just send the container back, get a full refund. There's no questions asked. There's no receipt. Okay. Because if you bought from Live Good, they know that you used a credit card, debit card, or cryptocurrency, to buy the products to ship to your home. Okay. That's amazing to have 3 months. Okay. That's plenty of time to use up the products, gobble them up, and if you get an effect, great. And if not, no harm, no foul. Get your money back. Okay? Most people, and remember this, you can go to livegood.com just like walmart.com, amazon.com, and just shop. But if you want to get the products at wholesale pricing, it's only $9.95 a month, $10. Okay? For $10, you're a member. So you go from customer to being a member. $10 a month, shop, shop, shop. That's how I became involved in Live Good. I was buying products called Super Red, Super Greens, amino acid, fruit punch. You can kind of see the white containers on the top of my little fridge over here. That's the products that brought me in. I was just buying the products like going to Amazon. And then I become a member because I spent $10 a month to save about 40. And then I become an affiliate a couple months later. Okay. I've got about a year and 7, 8 months. I think my 2-year anniversary is coming up in 2 or 3 months. So let's just say I almost have 2 years experience online. Okay. And right now, if I can not humbly boast, but I'm number 27 as far as amount of people sign up directly underneath. Okay, underneath me. Let me, yep, I got 401 people underneath my desk here. Okay, it's just the leaderboard, and it's fun to see who is signing up. A lot of people worldwide, China, South Korea. We're all over Africa and New Zealand, New Guinea, all over America, Canada, Mexico. Guys, we're all over the world. Okay, in 2 years we hit almost 2 million people. Okay, that's not normal. All right, we're still signing up about 60,000 people per month. Okay, and that's worldwide. All right, so if you join, there's a darn good chance somebody from China might sign up with you. And then all of a sudden I don't know, late in the night, it could be somebody from South Korea, or maybe up above me. I'm in Utah in the United States. It could be someone from Canada just saying, hey, I saw your ad on YouTube, or I got an email from you, or you're posting on social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Those top three, they always dominate. Okay. I keep things simple. The way that I market, I get business cards, joincory.com. I invite people to this link, and that's it. So on a street level, I don't do a presentation like you're watching now. I like to do recorded video because this lasts indefinitely unless I get rid of my YouTube channel. Okay. But I'm also a big fan just getting some business cards made. I go to Vistaprint. I bought joincory.com, and then I just simply forward it to the Live Good capture page, which you'll see. Okay. So if you're not in Live Good, just go there, watch a 6-minute video, let our CEO recruit, train, tell you about the products, the opportunity. That's what I do. That's why I'm successful. I keep things simple. I just invite you to the website, and it's up to you to see if you'd like to look at the products and buy them. Okay. Let me just show you here. Okay, this is our products tab. Go through each one and just hit the white rectangle, and you'll figure it out. You can see the ingredients, how to use each product, and what the pricing is as far as wholesale or retail. All right, we have the hats and the shirts, even little hoodies. Okay. Also, guys, please go to the website, our website, and go to the FAQ, because I think you'll have questions. Just read them. Click the link, and the answers are, boom, right there on your screen. Okay. Also, our comp plan, we don't comp on the product sales side like every other company where they force you to spend $100 to $200 to $500 a month to get commissions. Guys, we don't commission our products. You don't have to buy a darn thing. We're a membership-based company like Amazon. Okay. Go to the bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of the website. You're going to see a link. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay. This page will tell you the 7 ways we get paid. I always tell people, scroll to the bottom, just scroll, and this pretty girl here, this is a great YouTube video, and just watch it. Watch it 3 or 4 times. That way you know how we get paid. And guys, if other people have questions about the comp plan, please do what I do. Tell them to go to the website and go to the affiliate pay plan or the pay plan area and rock and roll. Okay. So when you go to joincory.com, this is our capture page, and you're going to have the exact same page, except you can change this area right here. See, it says Cory Draper's website. You can put whatever you want in this little area. All right. I just put my name. All right. Pretty simple, huh? Here's the video. People watch it, and then they make a decision. They just delete Live Good, go on their way, or if they're interested, they put their name, email address in. Okay. And for 30 days, Live Good will send one nice email to you, just refreshing you about the opportunity, the pay plan, what's going on. And you can opt out of this email system anytime. But isn't it nice to know that if you have $50 right now, go to joincory.com, put your name and email address in, click this orange button, and then go to your email to join. Okay, get a username, password. You can join by the month at $9.95, or you can, if you have $100, just join for the year. You get 2 free months. And to be an affiliate, it's a one-time $40 fee. That is it, guys. There's no reoccurring fee ever to be an affiliate. You just pay the $40 and you're done. And as long as you're a member at $9.95 a month, you're a member and an affiliate. You can buy our products, resell them. Okay. My goal when I started, I just wanted to make $50 to $100 a month just to buy the products. And I'm way over that, guys. To be at the level I'm at now, I'm paying some bills. My income with Live Good pays for my studio, my electricity, my heat. I guess these darn phones. Yep, you got to have cell service. All right. And this is all within a year or so with my experience. Okay. I don't have a big list. All I do is just keep things kind of simple. Everyone's like, what's the trick to signing up 400 people? I just click, watch the video, go to the comp plan, go to the FAQ section, look at the products. If you'd like to join, awesome. But no doubt about it, if you join my group, my team, I'm going to send you an email. Now I'm going to show you the exact same formula, technique, the same routine I do every day. And guys, it's easy. It doesn't take all day. If you got an extra hour, great. If you have a couple hours, write some emails, post on social media. And if you don't mind talking to a webcam like I'm doing, just, I don't know, do some videos if you'd like. They're effective, no doubt about it. If you do video and put them on YouTube or put a video on Facebook or maybe do a short little videos like TikTok, Instagram, all those platforms, it's up to you. But please just make it simple. Just say there's a cool opportunity. Go to, in my case, joincory.com, and I'm done. The video does everything. All the products are shipped and customer service is there. Okay, there's really nothing left for me to do. This is the best business for $10 a month and two $20 bills, guys, for $49.95. You know, what a deal, okay? All right, let me just hold my business cards up. I'm too lazy to put them on my screen. Okay, go to joincory.com. The link is right below this video anyway. All right, and that's it. So, boom, peace and love. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I always appreciate that too, okay? All right, that's my review to Live Good. All right, take care, guys. See you next video. Bye.